about her. Don't speak about her. Can I tell you this is a friend? Oh, she is gone and now you're carrying on with flowers and bad poetry. You're sorry, but now so are we. Where's your dignity? It's gone, just like she is. Where's your dignity? Where's your dignity? Where's your dignity? It's gone, just like she is. And you're groveling about the one that got away.
You're in the situation, Newman, it's happening right now. An unexpected and mysterious death of a one-time Playboy playmate, billionaire's widow, and tabloid fixture Anna Nicole Smith. We'll stay on top of the story. Also, other important news, threatening words and war games. Iran showing off missiles which can guard its nuclear sites and strike ships far out at sea as the supreme leader warns of an all-out response to any potential U.S. attack.